everybody, it's Gail, the Happy Stamper. Long time no see. I am coming today with a fun little card share. I know it's been 6 months since my last video, and as many of you know, I had open heart surgery just before Christmas. I'm doing very well. Just a few hiccups, had some hiccups with some blood clots in my lungs afterwards, but that's all taken care of now. And so, yeah, we're moving forward and all is good. I'm in physical therapy and getting my strength back every day. So I was able to get out last weekend and go to my Stampaholic team meeting, which is the bigger group that I'm a part of, and Janice Waitman's, and it was super fun. Great to see everybody, get back to doing what I love. Just a disclosure here, I have to reactivate. Stampin' Up! Was very kind. They knew my situation, so I'm on a medical leave, but I will be re-signing and firing up my website and getting everything back to going probably in the next week and a half. I've got a couple things I have to get cleared with the doctor still. So yeah, so let me just share with you, as many of you have already seen, the new catalog is here, and I know everybody has seen it. It's wonderful. I'm enjoying looking through it. There are so many goodies in here. I'm going to show you a beautiful card with this set, To a Wild Rose. So yeah, there is just a lot of really, really cute and clever and fun sets. I want to try to show you this one that's super cute. You Always Deliver. It's the little UPS man. So if any of you don't know, my husband works for UPS, so this one is really on my list. So anyways, this is the catalog that you will be getting. Vicki, if you're watching, I've tried reaching out to you, honey. You can have my copy. I did not order any of these because, like I said, I've been recovering from surgery, so you will be able to check everything out online. And Vicki, you can have mine. So I will be happy to send this to you. Please send me your information. A quick little couple things I got before I went and had surgery was this really cute set, Dandelion Wishes, which is so pretty and earthy, and oh my gosh, I just love it. So I'm excited to try that. I haven't even applied the stickers, which I'm sure many of you have heard. They have reformulated the glue on these, so they will stick, and they'll stick to our blocks. Yay! And then another really sweet one that's also in the new catalog is Fable Friends. So this is really cute too. Even though it's, you know, Happy Easter, Happy Spring, it also has Glad We're Friends, Darling Baby. So just perfect for new babies and all that kind of fun stuff. All right, so let's hop into some of the things that we made. This has been super popular. This is the new Daisy bundle. That has just been all the rage, and the card is so cute, and I love the big rhinestone there, but the pink and the mint green is just fabulous. And then, of course, this pretty embossing folder in the background. And, of course, it wouldn't be complete without a nice summer and sort of more masculine sailboats. And this is Set Sail in the Direction of Your Dreams. And I just love the paper. The whole nautical theme is so awesome. Super cute. Then along the lines with new babies, this one was really sweet, and I love the quilted embossing folder in the background, and it says welcome, and that's a die as well. Super cute, and I love the mint green, perfect for a baby girl, baby boy. That now these were all cards that we did at our Stamp-A-Stack. Isn't this paper beautiful? It's like mosaic tiles, super pretty. So these, I don't remember who did what, but we just moved from like station to station and then just share the project ideas. So this paper is spectacular, just beautiful. This one is, I think, my favorite. Gorgeous. And these little puffy fuzzy balls are to die for. So cute. But the paper, the watercolor paper is spectacular. I think it's just beautiful. And again, these are all things that are in the new catalog. Who doesn't love magnolias? We had a big conversation about this on a Facebook Live. This is the Magnolia Lane, and this is just, you know, fussy cut out of the paper and then stamped. But that's kind of a different take on a card with just the stamping down here at the bottom. So very pretty. The DSP is gorgeous. And then who doesn't love elephants? That's on my bucket list, is to go on safari to Africa. That would be so fun. And then this designer series paper, it kind of has almost an embossed look to it. I don't know if it's going to show up, but there you go. It has kind of a shiny, some of the leaves are shiny, so it gives it almost kind of like a 3D embossed look. So very pretty. But here, you know, really just a classic design, super easy and fun to make. Put this one over here. Getting all my cards in a row. Here's a fun one. This is You'll Always Be My Friend, and it opens this way. Isn't that fun? Wah! Love it. Super cute. Again, this whole daisy thing is really big, but this is just 2 colors and is really striking for something that, you know, is really very simple. But all the fun is in the way that it opens. Here's another pretty one, pretty in purple, and of course our new butterfly die. Again, using the pretty quilted embossing folder, and just a sweet, simple card, but really packs a lot of punch. And the metallic paper is great. And there's just little rhinestones.
There you go, it's going.
Hi, everyone. Sorry, this cut off, so I'm a little rusty at doing this, and don't mind the dog and the kids yelling in the background. They're not kids. They're 21, 20, and then our new puppy, Tessa. Okay, so back to the cards. Look how pretty this one is. Isn't that beautiful? That's using that stamp set that I just showed you. And a little bit of dazzling diamonds. You don't see dazzling diamonds being used a whole lot anymore, but I love dazzling diamonds. So this is just gorgeous. This stamp set is one of those 3D effect ones that are beautiful. Just beautiful. And then, of course, who doesn't love some bright, chubby little yellow birds in the summertime? Loved this one. This is a great die shape. And then, of course, the designer series paper is really pretty, too. So, yeah, very summery and fresh. And then, lastly, I thought I would share with you this really sweet baby card that I made. This is using the First Steps stamp set. And I made this not too long ago for my niece that just had a new little baby girl. But I love mint green, so this works for all little babies, boys and girls. So this was one that I made, and I've made several. And then we also made this cute, this is a Hostess set, and we made this really cute little treat holder that holds a little Ghirardelli chocolate inside. So super cute. I love the new ribbon with the double kind of ombre colors. This, my understanding is that it's out of stock, but will be back July 1st. So just hold on a little bit longer. I will be back up and running hopefully in the next week or so. Just have to get my website and page and all that back up. But yeah, so those are some really fun projects that I recently did with my Stampy friends. And I just wanted to come on, say hello, tell you all I am doing well, and share some of the fun. So thanks for visiting with the Happy Stamper. As always, hugs. Oh my gosh, I haven't done that in so long. Hugs from me to you, and hopefully I will be back with lots of inspiration and new ideas for you using, of course, the wonderful Stampin' Up! Products. All right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend. Happy 4th of July, and be safe. Bye.